Another very common mistakes I see many people make is another and other.
The other guys.
Or the another guys.
Another one. Another one.
Other one. Other one. Is it die another day or die other day? Another means one more or a different one. We use it for singular, non-specific, countable nouns. If we use it with a specific countable noun, we can just use the word that. I will have another snack. Let's watch another movie. Wow, thank you for the walnut. Can I get another one? The same one, right? That's why you use another. We can use another with a plural noun, but there must be a number or a quantity before the noun. Buy one pizza and get another 2 pizzas for free. Other means the person or thing different from the one or ones mentioned before and the one remaining out of the 2 or more. We went to work while the others stayed at home. Which one should I wear? This shirt or the other one? Wow, walnuts. Actually, can I get the other snack? Okay. Not the same. And I already ate it. Now, if you're stuck and you can't remember the difference, just remember this. Another comes before a singular, countable noun or pronoun. A person got sick. Another person got sick. Here, another means one more person. One more person got sick. Another 2 people got sick. 2 more people got sick. Other comes before plural countable nouns as well as uncountable nouns and pronouns. A person got sick. The other person got sick. So the remaining person got sick.